Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to clean out my dish towel drawer. Out with the old, in with the new. Today I'm replacing some of my dish towels, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am replacing some of the dish towels in my kitchen. So I am just going to clean out that drawer and replace the dish towels. I had these red and white stripe ones that I ordered from Grove, and I ordered some gray and white stripe ones to replace those. I also have these little red dishcloths, and I'm replacing them for these. So I'm just going to take everything out of that drawer and I'm going to wipe it all down and clean it out. Before I do that, I just want to remind you that Sunday Dawn is the host of this weekly collaboration. Her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I would absolutely love for you to check out her channel. She works so hard each and every week, and I also invite you to click on the playlist for lots of tiny, tidy motivation. So let's get busy.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out.
I decided with this tiny tidy that I would not speed it up. I was actually going to speed this part up, but I wanted to give you an idea of how long it would take to do a tiny tidy like this one. And I was just keeping this tiny tidy simple and real. This is just one small thing that you could do It took me about 5 minutes to do the entire drawer, but it makes a big impact. So of course we do multiple tiny tidies throughout the day, but this is just an example of one specific tiny tidy, and you can see that I could not decide exactly how I wanted to fold the dish towels, so I folded them several ways before I decided upon something that I liked. If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated and inspired you in some way. Do not forget to check out Sunday's channel, The Helpful Home. Also click on that Tiny Tidy playlist to see what everyone else in the Tiny Tidy team is up with. Tiny Tidy team is up to today. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Forever. Forever.